Hello viewers, welcome to my channel EasySaminJewelery. I'm here with a new project, a new idea. We are making today Pebbles earrings. We are using Pebbles in this earrings making. We have picked 4 seed bead, golden seed bead etto, and with these beads we are starting our today's earrings project. Very easy pattern, and we have tied double knot and now we are adding 3 more seed bead, golden seed bead etto. We are working in right angle weave stitch. We have to make a base of right angle weave stitch beaded base for our earring. So we are working. We have to make 14 boxes in this way. So we will continue till we complete 14th box. So continue beading. Now you can see these are 13 boxes. So 14th box will be made when we join these 2 ends from both sides, both corners. We have to join with 2 seed beads here, and in this way 14th box will be made. We have added 1 seed bead more, and in this side we have added 1 more seed bead. In this way 2 seed beads are now added, and now it is joined. Our beaded right angle weave, we have made a little ring of beads. Now we are starting next step. In this step we have picked a stone, 3 mm silver stone, stitchable stone, which have holes. So we have passed through its holes our needle, and now we are adding these beads one by one. These stones we are adding in boxes center. We have to add in all boxes one by one these stones. These are stitchable stones, so we are passing a needle through these stones holes. 2 holes we have to pass our needle and thread through 2 holes from these stones, and now we are attaching, we are adding one by one these stones in our beaded boxes. We have to add 8 stones, and now we have to add in some boxes 6 boxes. We have to add in 6 boxes bead, golden seed bead etto. In these 6 boxes we will not add stone, we will add here seed bead etto. In the same style we added stones, and in the same way we will add 1 seed bead at one time in 6 boxes. In this way we have completed our beaded ring with beads and stones, silver stones 3 mm. Now we have to here in this inner side, in its inner side we have to paste some glue, and we will paste here we will set our pebble bead. So this will be done in the end of this earring. Now we have first we will make here another step. We have to paste. We will here add earring wire. We have added golden beads here, 7 beads, and now we have to attach here earring wire. We have picked 1 seed bead, a toe, 1 stone plus 1 plus our earring wire, and then again 1 stone and then 1 seed bead, a toe, and we pass through center bead of 7 beads which we beaded before this step. We pass through the center bead of these 7 beads, and in this way we have attached our earring wire with 2 stones and 2 seed bead, a toe. Now we are coming down. Here we have to complete this beading process. We will make some knots, and after making knots we will trim the thread, and then we will start next step of this earrings making. This is very easy but very cute earrings, very easy pattern, and I have always tried to bring some new ideas in jewelry making. So today's project is one of those projects in which I introduced new idea. Pebbles I used in this project are totally a new idea. Instead of using big beads, I used these pebbles. I hope you would like. Here we have completed our beaded part for our earring. Now we are applying some glue on this beaded part, and this is our pebble, like bead, crystal bead, big crystal bead. Here we are pasting some glue in inner side of our earrings beaded part. So we have to paste here glue. After applying this glue, we will set our pebble bead here. These are very sparkling crystal beauty. These pebbles are looking very cute, very beautiful, and these are giving a new look, a cute look to our earring. I hope you would like it and make for yourself. Now let it dry. So when it dries, you can easily wear it. This is all set. This is ready to wear. This is the pair of earrings, pebble bead earrings, DIY dye earrings. These are pebble earrings. you can look at the other pair of earrings which I made in green color, and these are also very cute with silver beads, and these are golden beads and golden ear wires. These the pattern is same, but the look of color of these earrings are different from each other, so I hope you would like it. This is golden, which we made for you today. So if you like my tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe EasySaminJewelery. So I will say bye now. Take care. Lots of love. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.